This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download your video once you have completed editing from KineMaster app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now here is a video that I've just completed working on it, and I'd like to download or save it on my phone. To do it, it is quite simple. Just head over to this icon here, and this will give you an option to save and share. To do so, just go ahead and tap on save as video. And then for the subscription, I just tap on skip, and this will begin to save my video so that I can use it or I can get it on my device. And now it has been saved, and from here I can now go ahead and share it whenever I want. For instance, if I want to share it to WhatsApp, I can as well just do the same here. So I can maybe choose this WhatsApp, so I can choose a contact, and if I tap on it, it will be shared directly, and here we go, it has been shared. So that's how you save and share a video on KineMaster app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.